camel is wawa.
Why?
Because it's not time na still walking. Nada? Where's the camel? Oh, there's a dog. A dog? Horse?
Well, I cannot see horse.
There, white horse.
I want to ride that horse. Where's the horse?
There side. Put the calo up.
Because we go home.
Yeah.
We ride the horse. Okay, wait. We ride the horse now. We ride the horse now.
Okay.
I'm ready, Tita Nene.
Okay.
We go on the horse.
Okay.
Not horse, camel.
See. See. Look, where is it? Oh, see the camera, wawa. Camera is too much tired. See, he's tired. Look, come on. Look, he's tired. He's tired. Yeah, he's sleeping. See, sleeping the camel. Oh, see, there's the white one. Look. Uwaya. Wawa the camel, wala. Si wawa camel, wawa. Si. Kura. Si Kura. She said Kura. Kura. See that one, donkey. See the donkey. He's smart. Yeah. La. Ang panakit ala. Ang panakit horse. Just now you see?
You want to ride the horse? Yeah, wait, you want Tita Nene?
No,
Tita Nene.
no, the horse will die.
You see the horse?
See the horse?
You see the horse? Yeah. Nice, the horse. Nice. You see, we make picture there. Yeah.